Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to launch a new case. To launch a new case, go to the Cases tab and click the plus sign. You'll need to attach a subject to the case. Remember, any field with a red star is required. If you have already created an incident, you can attach it to the threat report field. Alternatively, you can create a new incident when you open the case. We'll show you both methods in this video. After attaching a threat report, add any tags that your team uses. Tags are important because they categorize and filter data, making it easier to find information in the system. Next, select a team and a case lead if applicable. If the team or lead has not been decided yet, you can assign them later within the case. Click Save, and your new case will be created. Creating a new incident. If this is a new incident that isn't already in the system, you will start by clicking the plus sign and attaching a subject. Then, click Create New Incident, which will open a new form. On this form, you're required to fill out a title. You'll also have the option to include the names of the subject, target, and any witnesses. Other optional fields include the incident type, district, and a description of the incident. You can also indicate if law enforcement was notified and add any relevant tags. You will also be required to add a permissions group. Once the incident form is filled out, you can attach the threat report and finish creating the case. After that, select a team and a case lead if applicable. If you have not yet decided on the team or lead, you can assign them later within the case. Finally, click Save, and your new case will be created.